Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let's look at this interesting example from competitive exam perspective for any SAT exam. In a square ABCD of the side 6 units, PQ are midpoints of BC and CD respectively. The line segment BQ and DP intersect at R. Then find the area of quadrilateral ABRD. So we have been given a square ABCD of side 6 units. That means AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA equal to 6 units. And we also know that P is midpoint of BC and Q is midpoint of CD. We have to find out the area of ABRD. My first thought process or the idea will be to join B and D so that I can have a triangle BCD in which I know two medians, because P is dividing BC, DP is dividing BC into two parts, and similarly BQ, point Q, is dividing CD into two parts. So DP and BQ are medians. So if I am able to join BD, then I can use centroid and I can easily calculate the area. So let's do that. I will join BD now. So we joined BD. Now we can see that we have to find out the area of quadrilateral ABRD. Can I say area of quadrilateral ABRD is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of other triangle we have, that is nothing but BRD. So what we did now is we have divided the quadrilateral ABRD into two triangles. One is ABD and the other is BRD. Now we have to find out the area of separately ABD and BRD, then we have to add it up. That's pretty simple. We will do that because area of ABD is equal to, we know AB equal to 6 and it's a square. So we know this is 90 degrees angle. It's a right angle triangle. So I can directly say half into 6 into 6 plus area of triangle BRD. This is where we have to understand that. So point R is nothing but centroid of the triangle BCD. Because two medians are intersecting, then it is centroid. If you join C and R, you extend it, you will get another median. So the point of intersections of median is centroid, and centroid divides the triangle into three equal areas. So I can directly say three equal areas. So I can say 1 by 3 into area of triangle 1 by 3 into area of triangle BCD. But that's equal to half into 6 into 6, that is 18, plus 1/3 into what is area of triangle BCD? Area of triangle BCD is equal to area of triangle ABD, because square is divided into two equal triangles. Or we can also calculate that. That is half into 6 into 6, that is again 18. So the total area of quadrilateral ABRD equal to 18 plus 6. That's equal to 24 square units or 24 square units.